Hi guys, kamusta? So ginagawan ko kasi ng video itong Marshall Stanmore 4 from Digital Walker, and gusto kong bigyan kayo ng quick preview kasi medyo matagal akong gumawa ng mga proper video natin, di ba? So naisip ko gagawa na ako ng mga short form videos like this para mabilis ko mapakita sa inyo yung mga bagay-bagay. So again, this is the Marshall Stanmore 4. Nagustuhan ko kasi ang ganda ng kanyang design, construction, pati yung kanyang mga features. Minimal lang, pero maganda rin yung tunog niya. Okay? So ayan, classic Marshall design sa harapan. And then here up top, we have our controls. So meron tayo ditong power switch. Yan, napaka-classic ng design niya. And then we have a customizable button dito na pwede mong ma-customize via the mobile application. And then we have our music playback controls. Back, forward, and play and pause. And then we have 3 knobs dito. One for volume, bass, and treble. So meron siyang LED indicator para madali mo makita. And then we have our connectivity options. So meron tayong Bluetooth, aux, and RCA. And of course yung aux port natin. So makikita nyo, parang leather yung kanyang design dito. Classic Marshall grill and logo with accent pa nga. Napakaganda sa living room. And then sa likod niya, basic lang, wala kang makikita. Kasi yung kanyang mga ports ay nasa ilalim. So we have our power port, our RCA ports, and our bass reflex port. Tapos meron tayong mga rubber feet para ma-maintain niya yung vibration. So ayan, napaka-classic lang ng design. So bago natin tapusin tong video, bigyan ko kayo ng mga sound test. Pero abangan nyo na rin yung full review natin for this one. Okay? Thank you for watching. One thing I'm missing out on with my MacBook Pro is proper gaming on the go. Sure, macOS has a decent growing library, but when it comes to esports titles that I play, like Counter-Strike 2 and Valorant, Windows is still the way to go.